So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on really quick and share with you guys one of the projects that I'm working on for Valentine's Day. I tried to find some little unique thing to add to my um, offering every year. And so I think I found something cute and I wanted to share it with you guys. You can see them behind me. But first, in order to do those, y'all, I had to go to Sam's. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Sam's and what all I'm putting in the items that I'm going to be making. So let me show you what I got first, and then we'll go back and I'll finish showing you what I'm making. Okay, so I had to make a run to Sam's because I every year I always get these little chips from Sam's. You guys, I don't know if you guys get these, but you get 40 of them for like $10 from Sam's. So for my kids' gifts, this is a really good item to add. They're really small, but it's a cute little something to add to like the little kids' basket. So I always get these. And then when I was out there, I saw these little fun dips. You get 60 of them, and I think it was like maybe $7 or something like that. So I got the fun dips to go along with it. And I a couple years ago they had these popcorn topia or popcorn opias. I don't know how you pronounce it, but anyway, they had these a couple years ago, but they didn't have them last year. So when I saw them out there today, I was excited that they got them because I do use these in some of my gifts as well. And I think these were $11.98, so basically $1 a piece. You get 12 of them for $12. So I got this. So for the gift that I'm making, I'm basically putting one of these. I'm not going to put the popcorn in there. I'm also going to include some of these candies, the Starburst Pops, some of the Skittles, some Smarties, some of the Haribos, gummy bears, and some of these that I got from Target for Christmas. And then I'm gonna either put this little Kool-Aid Valentine's card with the candy, or I also have some Warheads. So I'm kind of gonna switch them up in between, so both of them won't have, so all of them won't have the same little cards in them. So I'm gonna switch them up between the Kool-Aid and the Warheads. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm working on. So you guys, these are the little gifts that I'm working on. These are the, they call them giant Tutsi Pops. And I found these, I saw these on Pinterest or somewhere. And I ended up looking them up. And I found someone to get them. It takes a long time for them to come in because they come from Mexico. So I ordered these a couple months back, got them in, and I started working on them. So I'm gonna I'm gonna do one all the way through. But this is one that I've done so far. But the only thing I've got to add, I haven't added the. I'm gonna add a nice pretty bow on it, and probably some a little more embellishment to it. But this is what I've done to them so far. 10 comes in a set. And so I ordered these, got them in. And these little bears were bears that I got from, I think, Family Dollar last year. I added those to the little Tootsie Pops because it's just, basically you get the plain Tootsie Pops. And I added these little ribbons. These are ribbons that I got last year after Valentine's Day from somewhere. I don't know if it may have been Dollar General or somewhere. So I just added those little ribbons just to kind of give it a little extra flair. So I'm going to go and show you what all, how they come and what all you do to them. So let's get started. Okay, so basically how they come is they come as you get the little bait, the top and the bottom for the Tootsie Pop top of it. You get this little, I guess this is like a PVC pipe. You get this little PVC pipe to go into the bottom of the Tootsie Pop, and then this is the base that it stands on. And basically you just connect those two pieces, and then you can decorate it however you want to and fill it up. So let me show you. Okay, so I'm taking it out of the package, and see, it comes the bottom right here, and you take this and basically you just insert the PVC. Kind of got to screw it a little bit to kind of get it to go in. And then before I put the bottom base on it, I put the ribbon around it, and then I put the bear on it. Let me show you the little bear. So to make it easier on myself, I chose bears that had a connection like with the little heart or whatever, so that all you did was slide the handle through the hand and the heart, and then just kind of sit him on the base, and just like I said, I embellish it, and I'm gonna put a little bow on top to you know, finish him off. But to make it easier and make him hold on and me not have to work so hard, I may, on some of them, I may have to do like a little twist tie or something. But for the most part, they'll stay on there by themselves. So that's the reason why I chose these bears. Also, I chose these bears because they sing, and this will give me the ability to charge just a little bit more for these than what I can normally charge for just a regular little stuffed animal. So that's the and I left this little try me on that so that they would know that these stuffed animals you know, play music. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap the rest of them, and I'm gonna put my bow on, and then I'll come in at the end and show you what the finished look is. But yeah, these are very simple and easy. It's a quick gift for you to be able to make. Now they're not I don't know that you'll make a whole lot of money off of these. I think I'm gonna charge around $25 for these. You guys tell me what you think. Last year we had the little ring pops, and the ring pops last year were kind of going, that's what they were going for, was around $25. And so I'm thinking that these will probably go for around the same price. The set, like I said, there's 10 that comes in a box, and I ordered them off of Amazon. Again, they do come from Mexico. But after tax and everything, they were like $60 for the set. So basically, I'm paying $6 for each one of these little Tootsie Pops. And once I finish putting in the little different candies, I think my total investment in this project will probably be somewhere around $8 or $9. I'm gonna say 10. I'm gonna round it up to 10. So basically, I'll have $10 in this project, and so I'll probably make like a $15 profit off of each one of these. Like I said, these are not very profitable. I mean, you know, it's not a great profit, but it is a profit that you can make off of them. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think $25 is a reasonable price? Do y'all think that's too much, or what? But I kind of don't want to go less than 25, because to me, it wouldn't really be worth it to me to make them for $20. So yeah, I'm going to put the bow on, and then I'll show you guys the final look. And I know now if you order them, because I looked, I think yesterday, it would be cutting it close to get them in for Valentine's Day, because I ordered these back in like November. But it didn't take very long back then, but that was then. So I don't know if now they're in big demand or what. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this. Maybe this is helpful. And like I said, I'll show you the final look. And so what I did was basically I just hot glued the little ribbon around there and just wrapped it around and then inserted the base to it. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put the ribbon on it. Oh, and as you can see, so they do, they come in like 10 different colors. So there's not a repeat color. So there's yellow, green, there's a dark blue, a light blue, there's pink, purple, orange. I think it's a gold in there. And then this white, or this clear one. I think that makes the 10th one. So all of them are different colors. None of them is a repeat color in there. So you get like 10 in 10 different colors. Okay, you guys, so my phone had died, so I had to start, let it charge a little bit and start all back over. So basically, once I wrap this, like I said, I just used the hot glue gun, and wrap this around and then put my bear, and then I put the bottom onto it. I get my tissue paper. Well, first, I put a little grass in the bottom. And then I put just a little bit of tissue paper in the base of it. And then I cover it with just a little bit more grass. You don't need much, just kind of around the edges, okay? And then I just start placing my candy items in the container. And try to make sure that, you know, it's good and full. And then like I said, I either pick one of these, or I also have the Kool-Aid ones. So I'm gonna put this one, and I try to put it in the front. So that's what you see when you look in the front of it. You're gonna see the little greeting or whatever, the card. And then I want to put a small like toy or something. This is a little too big, so I'm gonna find a smaller toy maybe. It might fit. Let's see. We're gonna rearrange. Let's stick this in the bottom, and then put this on top. Because I want, like I said, I want to make sure that it's good and full, because, you know, for $25, you don't want people to think that you're skimming them on items. So, and this thing is kind of small, as you can see. So I tried to fill it up. And so that's it. So, like I said, I'm putting this in the front, and I'm going to make sure that the little plushie is facing toward where this is. And then I'm gonna put another bow, and I'll take a picture of it, and I'll put the you know, what it looks like with the bow and everything. But yeah, so I think this is a cute little item, or Valentine's gift. You guys tell me what you think, and tell me how much you would charge for this gift. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye, guys.